friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful Special Edition GeForce RTX 4090 iGame Lab. So friend, a special edition of the Colorful GeForce RTX 4090 has been spotted and the Colorful RTX 4090 iGame Lab. So friend, this will be a special limited edition graphics card designed specifically for overclocking, spotted over, and friend, the Colorful RTX 4090 iGame Lab will be only made in 300 units and looks similar to the Colorful iGame Vulcan version, just in white color, and the card is result of Colorful's in-house overclocking team and will apparently have been GPUs and friend, which means it could reach higher clocks. And friend, there is no Colorful RTX 4090 iGame KUDAN version. The iGame Lab will the flagship plays according to the specification. It will still feature a single 16-pin power connector, which means it will be still be limited to 600 watt, and specification also mentioned the 2625 MHz Boost GPU clock, and unfortunately no word on or availability and limited. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.